In this video, I'll be showing you how to add overlay in CapCut. Start by importing your video and overlay if they aren't already. Drag your video down onto the timeline, then do the same for your overlay, making sure to place it above your video, not on the same track. Drag the overlay layer out so it covers the entire video below. Go to the preview and drag the corners to adjust the scale, then move the overlay to the position you want it. If you have a video overlay, then drag it onto the timeline, making sure it's above your video. Go to the preview and adjust the scale and position. If your overlay isn't transparent, then go to the Remove BG tab. Enable the Chroma Key option. Then select the background color on your overlay to remove it. If the overlay isn't long enough, then select Speed from the top. Go down and increase the duration. This will slow down the overlay. Alternatively, you can loop the animation. To do this, set the speed back to 1, then head down to the timeline. Select your overlay clip and press Ctrl-C, then move the playhead to the end of the clip. Press Ctrl-V to paste the overlay. Repeat until the overlay covers the whole clip. You now know how to add an overlay in CapCut. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.